we'll get to one-on-one time and do stuff. So let's just think about our intention, your intention of what you want. Like, what do you want? And then let's just go ahead and start. So we'll gently touch or squeeze the distal end of your index finger. And eyes open or closed, and the white window frame, the right eye, looking through it. What do you want? And then you can touch or pat the heart with your right hand 6 times. And think very good. And then that extra point that Dr. Nerm talked about, distal into the right index finger, but a little closer to the joint, and touch or press that one 6 times. White window frame, right eye. What do you want? And then pat the heart or touch the heart area 6 times. Very good. And then press or touch the middle segment 6 times. And having all of that, what will you do and who will you be? And then press or touch the heart 6 times. And think very good. And then press the proximal segment of the right index finger 6 times, or touch it 6 times. And having all of that, what do you want your life to look like? What will your life look like? See that through the white window frame, right eye. What will your life look like? And then press or touch the heart 6 times, or pat the heart 6 times. And think very good. And then press the distal end of the right index finger 6 times, or touch it. And the 3 questions in this order: if you knew you were going to die in the next 6 months, what would you most want to do or be? And if you knew you couldn't fail, what would you most want to do or be? And if you had $10 million in your bank account and you didn't have to work another day in your life, what would you most want to do or be? And touch or press or pat your heart 6 times with your right hand and think very good. And the next part is the peace process. It's part of the system. What's happening in your body. And let's all be very present, very aware, and notice what's happening in the body and follow it. Stay out of the thoughts and the story. Stay in the body. Let go of all distracting thoughts. Heal your body inwardly. Notice your inner body. If you like, you can follow it with your fingers and lightly, lightly, lightly touch the skin. That's right. That's right. You're doing great. Notice the most intense part. And notice the most intense part of the most intense part. And in the most intense part, notice what's happening in that part. Stay out of the thoughts, stay in the body. You could even ask that question, I wonder what my next thought is going to be. And the next question, who am I? And just watch. Let go of all unnecessary thoughts. Feel your body inwardly. Who am I? Wow. And then the next question, who is it that is watching? So thanks to Ilya, let's I'm going to press the distal into my left thumb. I think that's what she said was the right spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For memory, who am I? And who is watching? Ooh. And Adyashanti said it, he has a bunch, he has so many writings. And one of them I remember he was talking about how stillness, he did it in a little story, but stillness isn't about sitting without, meditating, doing nothing. It's about that too, but it's also about every single moment, whenever you're doing anything, no matter how hurried it is or chaotic or whatever's going on, you can still be that stillness. You can still notice. Oh, great job, you guys. Holy cow. Okay, so we'll do some our one-on-one time. This is really good.